They agree. This is a subtle beer, subtle ale. It is an India Pale Ale, yes, but it's an American style with a creaminess, a lushness to this that really does. It is a nice combination. The flavors, the body, wow, this is really something. It's not a bad beer, that's for sure. So does Half Acre Deep Moat Hazy Double IPA. Meet expectations? Certainly does. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. Pass us on to your friends, share us, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.